Hello everyone, or hey sir. Let's solve this step by step, nice and easy. The first problem is the vapor pressure P of liquid sulfur trioxide, or SO3, may be calculated for different temperatures T using the expression log P equals to A minus B over temperature, where for the temperature ranges to 24 to 48 degrees Celsius. A is equal to 9.147 and B is 1771 K for trioxide at 32 degrees Celsius. First, we need the temperature in Kelvin because the formula uses Kelvin. To get the Kelvin from Celsius, just add 23.15, which is which is 305.15. Next is plug the numbers into the formula. Calculate using the calculator. Which has given us to 2204.432997. And that is our answer for the first problem. The second problem is if ethanol and methanol are mixed into 4 over 60 by weight at 55 degrees Celsius and the solution assumed ideal, the composition of the vapor percent ethanol and blank percent methanol. This easy. We need two things: mole fractions of liquid first, and then use Raoult's law to find the vapor composition. Our first step would be find the moles of each, which is the methanol and the ethanol. Then we need to get the total mole. is equal to is equal to then we need to get the liquid mole fractions of each. Is equal to 0.316831682. Then we need to get the liquid mole fraction of methanol. Is equal to Then we need to get the vapor pressures from Raoult's law. Raoult's law indicates P equals x1 T sat. Then we need to get ethanol's vapor pressure equals to 0.316831682 times the 37 point kPa, which is from the Paris. This is the answer. This is the answer. Then we need to get the pressure of the methanol. This is also from the Paris Handbook. Is equal to 53 53.76534654 kPa. Next is we need to get the vapor composition of each. The first one would be ethanol. To get the composition, you need to divide the Raoult's law, the vapor pressure divided by the total vapor pressure. Wait, I didn't add pa. The total vapor pressure is 65.58. and that is what we're going to divide. Times 100, which is equal to 17.93. We're gonna round it off to two decimal places, which is the 17.94. That is the vapor composition of ethanol. Then next composition is the methanol. That's the total percent of methanol of vapor composition. And I'm just gonna round it with two decimal places, and that's the final answer, 81.61%. The third problem is Henry's Law's constant for CO2 is 3.1 times 10 by the power of negative 2 mole over liters minus ATM at 25 degrees Celsius. What pressure would be the necessary in order to have a 0.25 molarity solution in water? So Henry's laws describe how gases dissolve in liquids. So for the dilute solutions, the concentration of the dissolved gas is proportional to its partial pressure above the liquid. So step one is to identify the values and rearrange it for P. So for the concentration is 0.25 mole over liter or 0.25 molarity, and KH is 3.1 times 10 to the power of the negative 2 mole over liters with minus ATM, negative ATM equals to 0.031 mole over liters in ATM. And solving for P, we just have to C over KH. Then substitute all the numbers. So C is equal to 25 mole over liter, and KH is 0.031 mole over L minus ATM. And we have a number of there, and 8.064516 ATM by canceling both over, and that is the pressure required for the problem number 3.